Oh yeah. I had to mention, notice I'm growing my beard back. I'm in that scruffy stage where it feels pretty awful and I kind of feel dirty, but you know, I'm ready to get it back. It's going to be getting cold here pretty soon and it's beard time. Let's go. Kurt, come here. You're a good dog. Hi there, welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops. As you can see, I'm back in my home and I'm back at the studio here. It was a long journey. Anybody that's been following along knows that I've been leading a group in Iceland and in Faroe Islands, and I am now back. It was an epic journey, unbelievable. First time back out in the world since all of this began, and I don't even know where to begin other than the fact that I'm going to tell you that I'm working now on footage that I've collected while I was on the trip. I know I've posted some of it already, but not like you're going to see it. I'm going to kind of do the epic movie of the journey, and I'll probably separate it out into two videos, one for Faroe Islands and one for Iceland. But it was crazy, as I say. You know, we went through all kinds of stuff. You know, wind, rain, snow, blazing winds. The last night that we were in Djupavik up in Iceland was crazy. In the morning, Ava, who is my friend there that owns the hotel that we stay in, she got up in the morning and said, "Bill, now you've seen the worst of Iceland." And it was something like they'd never seen before. And I think what it was, and maybe people can correct me if I'm wrong, but this tropical depression, Sam, went up and kind of went up between Greenland and Iceland and happened to skip along the top of Iceland where I happened to be with my group. And we had pretty much sustained 70 to 80 mile an hour winds for most of the night. And you know, it was, like I say, epic, not to overuse the word. But anyway, I'm back here at the workshop, and I just wanted to let you know in this short video that I'm still at this. I'm glad you're watching these videos. I'm going to have something fun for you to see pretty soon. I'm also in the works. I got back here on the 10th of October, and I have a workshop starting here where I have people coming from all over the country. On the 17th it begins, and that goes for a week as well. So I'm going to try to get anything done that I can for you to see from the trip, and maybe some still images. And I'm thinking on making some digital negatives of a couple of the images that I made during the trip and printing them during the workshop that's happening next week. So I hope you'll follow along and stick with me on this. In the future, when there is a video for the Faroe Islands and Iceland, you'll see a link to them up here. You know, and right now you can see a link to some of the things that we already did. We had some crazy things happen on the trip, and one of them was the stranding of a pod of pilot whales in northern Iceland in a place where there was no help, virtually no people. There were 5 of us there when this was going on, and there was no way to move these things or do anything, and it was heartbreaking. And there you can see the video of that up there as well. But I just be warned, it's heartbreaking, and you know, if you get upset by those things, I just wouldn't watch. But I just felt like I had to put it out there for the world to see it, because I haven't seen it in the media or anywhere yet. And it was a major event, and it was a major emotional event for everybody on my trip that saw it all happen or experienced it all happening. But anyway, with that, I'm going to let you go, or I'm going to let you go. You can let me go, and you know, please stick with me. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm really getting into this now. I purchased this little pocket Osmo while I was in Iceland. I've had one for a while, but I got an upgraded version of it that you're seeing me on right now. And the fun thing about it is now I have wireless audio. I've got a little box in my pocket that comes with it. I've got a lavalier mic that goes up here, you can see. And this way I don't have to record anymore on a separate device, and it'll make things a lot easier for me, and it'll help me put out some more content, and I've been really wanting to do that anyway. I'm really having fun with the YouTube channel. So stick with me. Thanks for watching, and take care. Bye-bye.